Would you believe me if I said I got this makeup look done in 10 minutes? Y'all. 10 minutes.
Every day I wake up like a boss and I be thinking Jesus fake is trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need him. We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah.
So I'm gonna just hop right into this. I'm gonna be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge. I'm gonna see if I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or less. This is gonna be extremely hard because typically on an everyday basis it takes me about 30 to 45 minutes to do my makeup. So let's get started. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes and I guess I'm gonna do the best I can in 10 minutes basically. So I got a timer.
Y'all, I was extremely focused and I was so nervous, so I was unable to talk in the beginning, but please trust me, it does get better. In this first step, I'm just taking the LA Color brow pencil in the color dark brown, and I'm just filling in my brows. I am filling them in as quick as I can. I am so nervous. Why? I have no idea. It's just a video, but I'm nervous. Right now, I'm just doing the exact same thing to the other brow, just filling it in as quickly as possible. It's super messy, but I only have 10 minutes, so I'm trying to do the best that I can. And the next step, you're going to see me take an eyebrow spoolie. I'm going to try to make the front look like something, because right now they look like crap. In this next clip, you're going to see me taking concealer. I'm going to be using the color Fawn by the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm just going to use it to clean up my brows. I'm going as quick as possible, so they are not the best. I'm just taking a concealer brush that I got from Wet n Wild, and I'm just applying that as we speak. Going to do the exact same thing to the other side. I chose to do a concealer that was close to my skin tone so that it wouldn't be a drastic look because I knew I didn't have but 10 minutes. Now I'm just defining the front of the brows and I'm just continuing to clean up.
Oh my goodness.
I'm just continuing on with the concealer. I'm going to define the top part of my brow to give them the shape that I would like. Gonna do the exact same thing to the other brow. Please do not come for me. This is the best I could do in 10 minutes. But honestly, they don't look that bad. They're not the same size or shape, but they're honestly not that bad to be done in like a minute and a half. I picked up the first brush that I could find. I would not recommend using an angled cheek brush for your eyebrows, but hey, when you press for time, what else can you do?
I feel like I am going so slow. 7.5 minutes left.
Now I'm just gonna apply some foundation. I'm just placing it all over my face. I am using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mahogany. And I'm just taking a beauty blender and I am pressing that into my skin as quick as I can.
I guess I should have been talking or something through the video. I don't know, but I feel like talking is gonna slow me down. I'm actually doing way better than I thought I would be. I thought by now I would still be working on my brows, but I have 6.5 minutes left and I'm doing fairly well. Right now I'm gonna just go in with some concealer to brighten myself up. And I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. Gonna put a little under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead. gonna let that sit for just a little bit. And while that is sitting, I'm gonna go in with another concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and contour at the same time so that I do not get behind. And I'm gonna take a brush, blend it out. I'm gonna take the sponge, blend out my concealer with it. Y'all, I can definitely not talk with this. This is really hard. My blending is probably awful, but I am doing it. I have 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Just gonna make sure I'm blended for the most part. Oh, I look pretty good. Ooh. And I'm gonna take I'm gonna take a little bit of contour from the Morphe Glamour Bronze, and I'm going to attempt to contour out my nose, but that may be the only thing I'm able to do. It is gonna be a crappy contour, but I think that's all I can do for the contour. I'm gonna take a little bit of Airspun and I'm gonna set under my eyes. Gonna let it bake for just a second. Y'all, I actually look pretty good. Look at that. Don't mind the blending over here, but I'm looking pretty decent. I got it all over my robe, but oh well, keep going. I did have a little bit of gloss on before I started because I did not want my face. Did not want my lips to get chapped and crusted, so I'm gonna go in with the dark brown liner at the moment. Crap, I thought this is dark brown. It is not dark brown. It is called Black Cherry. We're just gonna roll with it. Gonna outline with a little bit of a dark brown liner. And then I am going to take gloss. Rub it together. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm gonna go in and highlight a little. Contour, highlight, I don't know what I'm doing. I am just trying to get through this, y'all. I have 2 minutes and 9 seconds left. Gonna go in with a little bit of highlight on my nose. I'm gonna add a little bit more gloss because it looks awful. Gonna keep blending. Oh my god, I only have 1 minute and 44 seconds. Gonna go in with a little bit of mascara. And y'all, I would rock this going out. I would honestly rock this going out because it doesn't look bad. It looks quick and it doesn't look cakey. Maybe I will start using this in my makeup routine because like this was really quick and simple, and I didn't use a lot of products or anything, and like bam, I believe it looks pretty good. Look at that. And I still got time to spare, y'all. Like 58, 57. Look, I still have seconds left. I just did my makeup in 9 minutes. Can you believe that? And it looks good. Like, look at this. I wouldn't do it for a photo shoot or nothing, but I would definitely do it. All right, let me know what you think about this 10-minute or 9-minute makeup look. If you would like this your everyday look, keep watching.
We about that